Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Wells Fargo online banking. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using Wells Fargo online banking services efficiently and securely. To get started with Wells Fargo online banking, you need to enroll in the service by visiting the Wells Fargo website and clicking on the Enroll Now button. You will be required to provide your account information and create a username and password. Once you have enrolled, you can log into your account by visiting the Wells Fargo website and entering your username and password. It is essential to keep your login credentials secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. After logging in, you can view your account balances and transaction history. You can also use the online banking service to pay bills, transfer funds, and manage your accounts. The Bill Pay feature allows you to pay your bills electronically, and you can set up recurring payments for regular bills. To transfer funds, you can use the Transfer feature, which allows you to move money between your Wells Fargo accounts or to accounts at other banks. You can also use the online banking service to manage your accounts, including ordering checks, stopping payments, and reporting lost or stolen cards. In addition to these features, Wells Fargo online banking also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances. These include budgeting tools, financial calculators, and educational resources. To ensure the security of your online banking transactions, Wells Fargo uses advanced security measures, including encryption and two-factor authentication. It is also essential to keep your computer and internet browser up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Best practices for using Wells Fargo online banking include regularly monitoring your account activity, keeping your login credentials secure, and being cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. By following these tips and using the features and tools available through Wells Fargo online banking, you can efficiently and securely manage your finances and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility of online banking. In conclusion, Wells Fargo online banking offers a range of features and tools to help you manage your finances. By enrolling in the service, logging in securely, and using the available features and tools, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility of online banking while ensuring the security of your transactions.